Hey guys, Rory coming at you live from Busselton. Due to popular demand, I'm doing a fast food restaurants of Busselton review. So we're going to review all of them. We got Subway, we got KFC, we got Hungry Jack's, we got Macca's, we got Zambreros. Did I say KFC? Red Rooster? Red Rooster. And Dominoes. You can't forget Dominoes. I think that's all of them. So it might be a 2 or 3 part series. So we're starting off today with the old Red Rooster. Literally a 5-minute walk away, so that's good. And yeah, there's a few of my students, well not my students, but students at the school I work at, who work at Red Rooster. So the moment I walk in, hey Mr. Spittle, what's going on? So that was nice, slightly annoying, but nice, so thank you very much. One thing, they didn't give me a bag. I mean, if someone comes in, I'm sorry, I didn't drive there. If I came in my car, I'd go through a drive-through. But, you know, I'm walking in. Don't give me a box and my drink because I'm walking home. I've got me Coles shopping in one hand. Give me a bag so I can carry it all. That's all I asked for. Anyway, we got a Rippa box. It was $18.70. Bit spency. You know, not that long ago, you'd pay $10, $11, maybe $12 for a box. Oh, it's a large box, mind you, but still, $18.70. It's a bit expensive. Anyway, we got the Rippa. I reckon these are getting smaller. I swear they used to be like double the size. They're getting smaller, I reckon. So we got a Rippa. We got the chips. We got the old potato and gravy. And we got these things. We got the chicken pieces, the old wings. So we're gonna give them a try. So we'll start with the Rippa and we'll go from there. These things have definitely gotten smaller. I'm telling you, they used to be bigger than that, I reckon. Anyway, the Rippas, the reason they were called a Rippa is because not that long ago, I don't remember the last time I had one like this. They used to have a tab on it you just ripped off. You know, like you buy a Chico roll and it comes in like a plasticky cardboard sort of insert. Used to be like something like that and you just rip the top off and eat it. Now you gotta like unroll it and it's rubbish, mate. Bring back the actual Rippa packet. Anyway, that's what it looks like. You got a bit of chicken, bit of mayo, bit of lettuce. Can't even remember what else is in this thing. Let's go. Ah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fiend for a Rippa. If I go to Red Rooster, probably gonna get a Rippa. But this, there's not enough mayo on it, mate. Come on, like, chicken's good. The aioli, or mayo, whatever it is they put on it, it's good, but there's not enough. Lettuce is good, fresh lettuce, crunchy, but I got music, so I rock it. I got nothing but nothing in my pocket. It's just not big enough. 2 bites, I'm almost done. Mind you, I've got a big mouth, but still, it's alright. It's alright. We'll put it at that. It's alright. Alright, next we got the chips. I'm not gonna lie, out of all chips, Red Rooster chips are the best, I reckon. But anyway, I haven't even tasted these ones yet. They're pretty warm. I don't know how old they are, to be honest. They don't look fresh as, but yeah, they're fresh chips. Oh, they're good. I love the seasoning that they put on them. I don't know if it's chicken salt, what it is, but it's nice. I think it's just chicken salt, but it's good. It's good seasoning. Good chips. Just they're a bit oily. I don't think I've ever had chips this oily from Red Rooster before. Usually they're not as soft, and I can see that they're soft because they're covered in oil. but they're good. Oh, they're just addictive. Once you have one, you just want to have like 10 more. Oh, they're good. They're good chips, not gonna lie. I think they're my favourite chips. KFC chips aren't far behind, but I think Rooster chips are my favourite. It's just a seasoning. It could be like 3-day-old chips and it still tastes good because of the seasoning. A bit oily though, but it's alright. Alright, we got the chicken piece. I'm gonna give that a shot. The crunchy coating on the outside, which is it's nice. I don't think it's fresh. I think it's been sitting there a while. Chicken's really juicy. I'll give it that. Yeah, it's nice. A bit juicy, probably plenty of flavour. The coating on the outside's got, I don't know what it's seasoned with. No idea. I'm investigating the flavours, but I cannot come to any conclusions. It's not bad. That's a good chicken piece. As you can see, I'm absolutely devouring it. But yeah, it's good. Alright, next up we got the potato and gravy. So, let's give it a go. Luckily, well not luckily, I got plenty of spoons in the house, but they gave me a spoon. So I thought to keep it authentic, we'll eat it with our little wooden spoon. Which, by the way, Red Rooster, it's not deep enough. How much potato and gravy can you get on that? It needs to be like a big soup spoon. Get like half of it on in one shovel though. It needs to be like a shovel. Because it's the idea, you get it in your mouth as quickly as you can. Alright, potato and gravy. Dripping everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fan of potato and gravy. Especially thick gravy. And that gravy, it's got plenty of flavour. The potato's good. I don't know what it is about potato and gravy. But you know the best thing? If you don't know this, don't know what you've been doing your whole life, but you get your chips, you dip it in your potato and gravy. And it's the best vessel to carry a potato and gravy to your mouth. Anyway, Red Rooster, Busselton. I'm not gonna lie, it was alright. I haven't tried anywhere else yet. This is the first one. But we'll go a 7 out of 10, I reckon. Solid score. Not bad. The Rippa was pretty good. Plenty of lettuce. Nice juicy chicken. Nice aioli or whatever the sauces they put on it. Nice bun. The chips were pretty good, pretty fresh. Pretty hot. Plenty of seasoning. Potato and gravy was pretty good. The chicken pieces were pretty good too. But overall, you didn't give me a bag. Yeah, it's alright. So I've just ordered some Dominoes. It's been a while since I ordered bloody Dominoes. We got a pasta. We got the lot pasta. We got the old classic. I couldn't decide what pizza to get, so we got the old classic double bacon cheeseburger. I was gonna get meat lovers. I'm sure some of my students will be like, why do you get meat lovers? But you know, I was gonna get Supreme and a meat lovers, and then this one I changed my mind about 30 times. Anyway, we also got a garlic bread. Not a cheesy garlic bread though. I stuffed it up. Should have got cheesy, but anyway. The pizza. There you go. It's actually pretty loaded with toppings. Surprising. I haven't had a good experience with Dominoes the last time I ordered. That was a while ago now. But Dominoes seem to be getting competitive again because there's a lot more competition these days. It used to be Dominoes and Pizza Hut and Eagle Boys. But Eagle Boys, if you're not old enough, probably don't know what Eagle Boys is or was. The best pizza in the world. And all that remains is Dominoes and other little boutique places. Anyway, we're going to try the double bacon cheeseburger. I forgot to say what's on it. They got obviously cheese, bacon, tomato sauce, a nice base. I think they changed that base. And yeah, the sauce, which is got tomato sauce at the bottom and the, I don't know, whatever the, like, something like a burger sauce on it. What would you call it? Like a Not a Thousand Island, but yeah, anyway. There's the double bacon cheeseburger. It's good. Like, it's just one of those flavors. Like, it's just a burger on a pizza base. It's nice. It's good. I kind of regret my decision now. I should have got meat lovers. Highly regret my decision, but you know, it's good. It's one of those good flavors. If you're at a party, back in the day, if you're at a party and someone ordered pizza, 100% that was getting ordered. 100% meat lover was getting ordered. Some weirdo would order like veggie or margarita or something, but it's good. I'm not gonna lie, it's the most amount of toppings I've had on a pizza for a while. The base is a bit oily, but I got what's that place called? Ordered a pizza from a place the other day in town in Busselton, Al Forno or something, and that was really oily. It's not too oily. It's pretty fresh, pretty hot. The base is, I wouldn't say it's crispy, but it's not like super soft either. It's a little bit soft, a bit oily. It's not exactly the world's biggest pizza. It's supposedly a large pizza, but I mean, it's pretty bloody small. It's got a fair bit of toppings. A fair bit of flavour. It's just a classic pizza. I mean, for this whole lot, I paid $41, which is a fair amount. But I mean, one pizza, a pasta, garlic bread, a Coke, $41 delivered. That's a fair, well, I mean, I'm comparing it to a while ago, but things are going up a lot. Anyway, the pizza's not bad. See, I don't know if it's because my mouth is big. Literally 2 bites and that bloody piece of pizza's inhaled. Just like the ratio of meat, like when you have a pizza, you want to have the right amount of rate. Oh, no. What are you, some sort of a pizza scientist? But seriously, you want. Oh, we got a small bit. This is a good bit to experiment on because it's small. I got a little mini bit. Oh, I just shoved some on my shirt. I'll deal with that later. So, you want to have the right amount of toppings to pizza base, to sauce, to cheese, and like. Dominoes have just got the ratio. They just know. Though, I think they're skimping a bit on the cheese, to be fair. Yeah, this one seems to be... Oh, I don't know. Some slices have a lot of cheese, some don't. Let's give the old pasta a shot. Alright, so next we've got the lot pasta. That's what it looks like there. In a nice little alfoil takeaway container. It's bloody hot. Woo! It's gonna burn me lap. Apparently it's supposed to be spicy. I'm skeptical because fast food places are always like, it's spicy. Having lived in China for 2 years and being an absolute chili fanatic, I just eat these fast food places, go to these takeaway places and try their supposed hot items, spicy, and they're not that spicy. Like, they're like white girl spicy, you know what I mean? Anyway, what do we got on this one? I can't remember. There's mushrooms, there's meat, there's cheese, there's pasta. There's other things which I'll probably... Oh, mushrooms as well. It's probably other things we'll figure out as we go along. Anyway. The lot pasta. They call it a pasta pizza, but I mean... Is that because there's pizza toppings on a pasta? I don't know. It seems kind of weird to me, but anyway. It's... Oh, that is so mildly spicy. Like... The chili, if it even is chili, yeah, it's so mild. Like, they've obviously put, like, a pinch of chili powder on it. It's not spicy. It's, like, white girl spicy. But anyway, the toppings... I'd say it's about a 2 out of 10 pasta. Like, it's like someone's just pulled the toppings off a pizza and chucked it on top of pasta. Like... The topping, like, the cheese and the mushrooms are alright. The Pepperoni's okay. We've got an olive. Oh, the olive's pretty rank, considering I just had olives out of a jar yesterday. Go way better. The pasta itself. What type of pasta they got? Even let's investigate. It's like penne. It's like penne. It's penne pasta. The pasta's alright. I'm not gonna lie. The pasta's soaking up a lot of the sauce. It's a good vessel for sauce transferring. It's nice. Pasta's cooked well. It's not al dente or anything, but it's pasta. But the sauce is kind of shit. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Hey, like Dominoes, you're a pizza place. Stick to pizza. I was just bloody. I totally said a mouthful of nothing on that. And again, but I mean, you know, I had to switch to my other camera because my main camera died. Sad face. Don't have any spare bats to charge. But anyway, yeah, the pasta's just, it's mediocre. Come on, Dominoes, stick to pizza. Pasta's, like, it's hot, and the actual pasta component, the penne is good, but the sauce is just, it's just lacking in flavour and depth. And it's just like someone's literally just grabbed a whole bunch of pizza toppings and just shoved it on top of pasta with a bit of cheese. Not even good cheese. Nah, don't even bother. It's expensive. It's like twice the price of a pizza. It's like $18 for the pasta. Would not recommend at all. Anyway, we got the old trusty garlic bread. Surely you can't fuck a garlic bread up. And if you do, something's wrong with you. It's like a stock standard. Anyway, it feels soft, which is good. It sort of is oozing, yeah, it's oozing garlic butter, which is good. And it's still pretty hot. I mean, I just literally got it, so let's give it a try. Oh well, it's good. It's a standard garlic bread. It's greasy, it's oily, it's garlicky. It's hot. It's soft. It's chewy. It's all the good verbs. And you know what? People are gonna think I'm an absolute heathen, but I love this bit. People are like, I don't want to eat the end bit because it's got too much bread and crust and where. I love it. It's actually not that crunchy, that one, but it's good. I think, speaking like a robot, I reckon that was a good garlic bread. Now, Dominoes at bloody Busselton, I don't know. I'm a big skeptic because I eat a lot of food. And, what do I give? I gave Red Rooster 7 out of 10. Dominoes, can I do 0.5s? I feel like it's, I don't know, it's because if I like pizza more, I don't know. Let's go 7.5 out of 10. We'll do that. It's alright. Actually, fuck it, 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, 6.5 out of 10. Anyway, let's fucking end this shit.
Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring.